Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make a slide in Dying Light the Beast, so stay with me and enjoy watching! So slides are very helpful in this game. It can avoid some attacks from the zombies or get into some places that are hard to get into. So you can use a slide like this. And you will be able to move through some objects very quickly, like this gate. To do it, you have to sprint by using the shift and then press and hold the C button, which is a crouch that allows you to just use this slide. That will be all for this video. Hope you like it. Leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!